We'll guide you through how to import XML in 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because tools like 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 are widely used for creating diagrams, but importing existing XML files can be confusing for beginners. Begin by opening Windows on your laptop and ensuring the system is fully loaded and ready to use. Next, open Google Chrome from your desktop or taskbar so you can access the internet. Once the browser is open, click in the search bar, type 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, and then press Enter to perform the search. From the results displayed, click on the website labeled 𝗟𝗹.io or 𝗟𝗹.com to proceed to the official page. After the site loads, click the Start button and wait a moment for the application interface to initialize. When the workspace appears, open the menu located at the top of the screen to view available options. Then click File to access file-related actions within the application. From the drop-down, click Import From so you can search across different storage sources. Choose Device to browse files stored locally on your laptop. Navigate through your folders carefully until you find the file you want to import into the application. Ensure that you have an XML file available on your laptop, as this format is required for proper import. Once you locate the correct XML file, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, click Open to load it into the 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 workspace. When the diagram appears, adjust its position if necessary so it is properly aligned within the canvas. Resize the diagram if needed to ensure all elements are clearly visible and proportionate. Finally, enhance the visual appearance by adding colors if the diagram looks plain or unappealing, making it easier to understand and more visually engaging. You can also take a moment to review each element within the diagram to confirm that all imported components appear correctly and without distortion. If any shapes or connectors seem misplaced, carefully drag them into their appropriate positions to restore the intended structure. Additionally, check the text inside the diagram to ensure readability, adjusting font size or alignment if necessary for clarity. Saving your work afterward is recommended so that any changes you make are not lost, allowing you to revisit or edit the diagram later without repeating the import process again if needed.